Yeah, this is how crunchy the ground is. Show you the street. We had a 1/4 inch of ice last night. That street is solid ice. Every road in our town is like that. I'm gonna show you how slick this is. See that? That's what our roads are like. Everything has got a shine upon it. 1/4 inch of ice. Cars are slid off. Put a video of this on my other channel, Chad Crawford. I mean, this is, I don't know. It's been a while if I've seen this much just solid ice skating like rink ice on a road. This here is my street. Look at this. This is how much ice is on the driveway. That's solid ice. This is gravel right here. This is pea gravel. I'm gonna show you something. That's how slick that is. I'm on my driveway. I'm not even moving, and I'm sliding. Golly. January 22nd, 2024. Got a solid 1/4 inch of ice last night, and there's still a trace of that snow left.